First of all, go ahead and open up any browser, then open up Slides, and then from here I'm gonna take a blank presentation, and then for example I'm gonna write TikTok, and now I'm gonna add a background image on this slide. To do this, all you have to do, click on Insert and then click on Image, then click on Upload from Computer. Now choose a photo that you wanna add as a background photo, and then click on Open, and then now right click on your mouse, and then here you will get Order, click on it, then click on Send to Back, click on it, and as you can see that my background has been added to my slide. And that's how you can add background on your Google Slides. Hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.